Oboroso bw'umugusi.
Morigereria bwen soko TV nkukwani kuna ndonsi ya sora so mugorobo bono aseri tukeliga lya 25 na gatatu mutinyo 5 na kabiro mwaka bw'echili fibere 25 na rimo nukugena kwane buna kwagendere bya aseri tukoligima na bwega nogenderete kubwati yonsi imeyen soko kura Chinsa Ikomi nebere cheke mambi wekera bodiga nande cyarigire Chinsa Ikomi cha Afrika ya mocha ngakiyuka yanyorama ya senchira y'ubwenge erikwemanya ayagenderete okorkanase mugoroba obono tusanga subwamo wetera senchira y'omutanda wekerero asensemo ya YouTube and Soko TV namba ya mawasiliano na ngonya gwetere insabu Eriane Ishmael Mogere na boigo asensemo yende oyogo nkonya ase ensemo yebimanyiririo na kworokereria ase bari batari koigwa Eliae Salome Keru. Asumu chakano mugorobo bono abari mibeke merigie chae abo bakwere chae yabo ase factory ya Insurance zone ya Ikomi county ya Nyamira nigo bamochirie abana siasa abo baswananirie ekemerie ase baswananira ase ekemerigie chae bakwana ase gikaro kyogosemania igoro yokuburugera echae recommend ngeria niga bari miabo batebire nyore engusanano geko baroro rirelio nigengeria irachikwirana inse nigo basabiro morembe ase obwoni bwechae inse ye zone eyo ya Ikomi
entege taganya okora rega tokoro kai check weight ni gabo akubekera tiri obeka rigena twakikise nga rigena riri yabere chikiro 10 orusege tokoro kana test weight omana gochaga gutupimire chaye tobuna baremi igorenda baremi baitonto isandegete intwe na mangana yetira tiri cheto kurugya nchore kyagara management baguchekera tiri bamana konyomo karane okoraki onyereta skiping center igento twakurire mono nkeri na siasa atebase kobe kwa sobore mibwaito batige togendera obore mibwaito buna bono twarodecha yeteko ni bubuyaiga na ende tokoto na tarachia chibe singi yo mwaka oyo batige ebyasare byeito togendera
etoko mubodi asitira tiri aletire chira tiri tigato abakarani ato echipurinta alafu na ndoto maniko manyana ndato asito kuchikoni cha yeito ege kugere factory yaye ntuntunye manyeti ege kugere yeito ya yanchore ntunye manyeti na nene bwato mupangirio no murobirio romeya
ina bako nyorango muntinaro bwate kerenge likirikia lakini njira kereta kirore kane bubi because didatiri kuruma ndo bwate mechando lakini ege roba atorete ya chinyi yangu bimuchiri kana ngo bikatoleri ala 10 kilos twacha konerani igonto raro mechando menene mone igo abanga tebanga mchana kugiteru Joseph nabaka mbugu mbenero lakini ija tena genderete bia
is interfering actually should be stopped because he take roko enda sai group y'abantu ikutwara masikani obori abantu abute muigwano before you go to the farmer
ese ko gendera iga ikiagera nabako nyora muntu onde nagacheta nonu mukarani insachinda retera tirieri nyore ne retirieri ya nige bwata makose pimo nyore yabeire tabauti osine kira yemo nobora nyore nonu mukarani gose yakobetu muyi ase tundu bari gonto gochigotaka bintu kabirerio etotagete omarembori orororo agendera ko bashitundu bari cheto toendera gopime cha kawaida na enda bari mbaito banyore kibese olale gatebanga mukutano rero ororekanye ko mukutano gw'ingencho ase ngencho barenta gichiamane kura ase factory chichitu chonsi chesoni yega 10 bato kwanire buya nande kwa mono muneri tangene kuri kibesa buya ototebiri nga emechano nabera abegati ya management onye ba kuri kibesa buya nabo tokonya kibesa chinke ototebi ngeja tokotorani eri ngiye ko ne tokonya kibesa chinke goto agoki kumono nga twatebi ngaba direct chitu ba pull up nduira na sibya chitu alengi chintanga ni chama gatwali mwakori atwaichana paka bono lakini agoki nande nga kurwase ale sibe chaite kuri Mombasa chaite yorobo ne kabura kanyanto bakoteba bato tengune kuminyoka kana ndi achira igondo bwato kosemberinga omwaka uyo iga ntonyoriga sarigia
nigo aborkiwa beskuru yoborso yebinyinye gotoke ward ya Chitago barabu ensemble ya bunge ya South Mugrango county ya Kisii abana abanyaruka nabo igaba muri babere bagosanga enyomba ya kebara mamincha neri chiko eke nigo kia mubetereria oyo kolige kergo kyobujumbe ensemble ya bunge yo Dennis Makori asiretelire sonko ochakyo muroberio bwokwagachira abana bo abanyaruka enyomba eyo ya kebara erio abamura batigare neyo ukwara chinga kecho nigo sonko alireira yogo gochigotara na Daktari Freddy Matiang'i wetera ekiama gia Jubilee asboigo agikiri bikoro byoboke bago ebyo bigendera tikwenekibwa asensemo eyo ya South Mugirango.
Ero na chirega mapema mbakonye ko baga chirecho woni yemo bwate choyemo mogo sanga bamura na abaiseke na ina masikani amabekera abamura na abaiseke bago change choyemo woni na chire twaga checho ingi ya abaiseke alinda abamura batigare necho elienkoro abantu bamintonche igonde magega ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i ago sensa abo Matiang'i inkanka bon Matiang'i ko muhatoro wo president Matiang'i nere e Jubilee candidate presidential candidate yaito mainche naongo tara na Fred Okengo Matiang'i na orene kerege chunikia mucherere riso ninche nkomurusi barenga bawe tanga kanyago tara Matiang'i yoito ga kimorusi ga chunia kariya chiri Yamono igo mambiende osoro na rutongo chabara ne chibesa bago chana marangeti ga kimobwate mwebisie bago chane chigasi ga kimobwate morugero bokuma bago chane meito ga kimorare bago chane bikoroto ga kimobeke bako baletera chiri bwibere ga kimochibwate lakini ekurero mwake muri abantu bore karao igo asentu tokaranga no kaboko kwa Nyasaye kwaroka na gwakaretemera ekiagera ntu titobwati muchando no ndebwes wono gotoma chiguni chichego kana nganto rigokora muchango na magoso naenda magoso manene kero mondo tigae guribaga atare akwane na bananchi bona atare gatinkore tibuya ingiche ngoni chisera chiane monte binko ngamole chikura none nero tagete nero tigakareke era
Chingaki amariganio yembra ya El Nino agendrete meyense omuraiwe kiama kia United Grid Movement David Maraga ni amuchire serikali asugotabeka teneni okweroberwa serikali na mono asamangana bwatikaine ne chibesa Maraga ni gobo igakwanire ayabwatikaine no bukurumi meyense ne serikali gusinya kurwa bokoryo bwekera nugo chiase abakenya.
The predictions about the El Nino, Godzilla El Nino, have been out since February. We would have expected that the budget this year would have been very, very specific. But you saw what the CS was saying last night. When asked, he was just guessing, talking about 10 billion and saying, look, this is a huge sum of money. I don't know where we are going to get it from. When a few months back, they had more than 14 billion shillings that they spent in Olikalau. So that is the kind of government we are dealing with. We are making this statement so that Kenyans are aware what we are headed for. Because quite a number of government officials are going to come out with PR exercises, PR statements, and unless serious action is taken, the country is headed for a very, very serious disaster that can be avoided. We all know, you go to the villages, we went to the villages, the Kenyans know where their problem is coming from. Stealing, looting of public resources, as a result of which there are no medicines in hospitals, children are not going to school, and people are suffering. Our campaign is pegged on that, and once we deal with those two issues, literally everything will fall into place. We are ready to work with any other opposition leaders who have similar aspirations, who want fundamental change in this country, who are not looking for cosmetic change. I think that answers your question. So, I mean, we will team up with that. We have already indicated that we are working with Linda Mwananchi. You people made a mistake. We have not joined Linda Mwananchi. We are saying we are working with them because they have similar aspirations. And we will, at the right time, come together and work with not only Linda Mwananchi, anybody else who are willing and ready for a fundamental change, not cosmetic.
Sense moyende serikali niwe yang'anyiri obokoreri chilifu 25 kurwa chimia 350 bwa serikali gochia ase nchira yekerero na kung'anya kurwa egikoro. Prime William Ruto gakwene kiayo engakiyo kwena na ebyego gochia ase ababui bekeminano kyo mwaka we chilifu 25 na limo kia Huawei Global ICT ase nyombene ne yobrai bwensa so mucho Nairobi nigo ense ya Kenya era chikoendera kubwatana na nensi ya China ase amangana bwatikene ne chinchira chekerero irwikirania obokoreri ao ase obwangomono.
As government, we have matched these partnerships with deliberate investment. Through our digital superhighway program, we have deployed an additional 37,000 kilometers of fiber optic, established hundreds of digital hubs, trained more than 1.9 million Kenyans in digital skills, and enabled creation of over 350,000 digital jobs. These are not just figures. These are people. And I'm very proud that in the last 3 years, we've scaled things up around the digital space. And it started with us as government. When I came into office, I said, we are a tech society, and therefore we must move all our government services into a digital platform. I can proudly say today, 3 years down the road, that we had 350 government services on the digital platform. Today we have 25,000. And shortly, every government service, I think we are approaching 85, almost 90% of government services. Shortly, we will clock 100,000 government services. We also moved government payments. You know, people used to pay government services in cash and in other forms. Today, we have moved all government services to be paid on a digital platform. Again, because we are a tech society.
China and Kenya have promising prospects for future cooperation in information technology and artificial intelligence. We look forward to carrying out more practical cooperation to unlock the value of digital technology.
Asense moyende ekiombe getenderete obochori ne chimbebe kia IEBC nigo kiarengere buna na bera chikonyarekana obochori obonene bwo mwaka bw'echilifu 2025 na kabere guchi gutwara chibura buru kubwatikana na Kenya gutanchirana amachibu y'obochori. Umukamishara w'ekiombe kia IEBC Atulala Mkwana ka ukwana yokurase county ya Machakos ngakiyo gusangereria ebirengereryo by'abananchi igoriye lichiko rego tumekibwe chibesa sti campaign n'abana siasa nigairero buna egati y'abana siasa nigo barubiri guchi gwikabusyo bw'ekigambiro gukana amachibu nonye n'obochori butarakorekana.
Kuna baadhi wanasiasa wanajiandaa kukataa matokeo ya kura mwaka 2027. It is not a joke. Kwa hivyo ikiwa sifa na heshima ya tume huru haitalindwa, na italindwa na nyinyi, tukikosa tuambieni tumekosa, lakini tukifanya mazuri tuambieni tumefanya mazuri. So ikiwa heshima na imani ya raia itabomolewa kabisa katika tume, wakati mwaka 2027 utakapokuja na kura zifanywe, hakuna atakayeshinda wale wengine hawatakubali, na anayeshindwa pia hatokubali. Matokeo yatakuwa ni kwamba kutakuwa na fujo katika taifa. Kukiwa na fujo, hata wewe ambao unashangilia wanasiasa na kuchukua 250 hata hutakuwa na furaha. Makamishna IEBC ni 7 peke yao, lakini wananchi milioni 54, sio kweli? Sasa wengi ni kina nani? Ni nyinyi. Kwa hivyo msifurahie na kucheka wakati IEBC inakuwa ni yenye kulaumiwa visivyo. Kwa kumalizia, swali sema. Sasa kaka wewe mbona unasema ulikanao? Uliona nini ulikanao? It is on record. In Olkanao, the opposition thanked IEBC for conducting a good election. But the trouble with Kenyans is that we only see bad things.
Semuyende serikali nigo ya muchiwe asoko endra comment kana kwe bikoro byo bosagani imeyense korengana no botineri gwe kanisa ya NCCK orosagia rwa Machakos nigo ya ruro kuboria gutia serikali gotiga korera korende kobe kiorokereryo guchia asaba Kenya bune kubwati
in terms of what I call very obvious cases that yes, it's been obvious that goons are inventing even churches meetings, and it's worrying that no much action is taken against this. And that is why we are calling upon, and I made this clear, calling upon the relevant authorities. Because again, it is within their mandate, it's within their power to act. Because if those that are in leadership are crying, just like the common mwananchi, about goonism. So now who is helping who? Who will come to the rescue of the common mwananchi? And that is why we're saying our leaders, the police, and every other person in authority, if they had the will, today we would be hearing of some prosecutions already done. Today we would be hearing of people implicated or people questioned. But it has gone silent. And to us as a church, we are saying this is very worrying. This is a situation where, just as we said, makes our future very bleak and very uncertain. And so it's worrying. It's worrying. We need to see action taken. We need to see people brought to book. We need to see people prosecuted. Because again, I believe that these people are known. We tend to believe that they are known. And if they are known, then why is not action taken against them?
Let's go and have vote and start thinking whom and who will we choose. Nani anapaswa kusimama kwa ile kiti? Nani yu anafaa? Tusindanganyike kwa uongo kwamba fulani na fulani ataweza. Sisi kama viongozi, kama vijana tunaweza. Na tunaweza kusimama kwa gap, na tuweze kubandilisha nchi, na tuweze kujenga hata in the background where we are coming from. Tusiangalia he or she akona pesa anaweza simama. Even you yourself from where you are coming from, you can stand and vie for a seat na unaweza pata kura na tunaweza kupigia sisi kama vijana.
Magega yo murwaniri gweterekia makia DCP Sami Kamau wa Weru kwa mumubui asobo chore oboke wensemu ya bunge ya Ulekalawi county ya Nyandarua nigo Sami atiani werero omubasorero bosiwe bunge nene na guchaka obokoreri bwae bene Sami nigo akobwa nabarai au bachorire bwigo bari ababwatene ase kiama kia DCP babegete chianga chire rangi ye kiama kia DCP.
Honorable Speaker, I beg to introduce to you the member-elect for Olkalau constituency, namely Sami Douglas Kamau wa Weru.
I, Sami Douglas Kamau Waweru, having been elected a member of the National Assembly, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of Parliament. So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
You may proceed and sign to your oath of office.
Asense moyende Ikomi yokorika amangana yogutumiki wechibesa sipak ase bunge ya Senate igo baichanire ogotacha kumugavera we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo bosio we committee yo kwereneria maborio igoro yobotumiki wechibesa bureko bwati.
The Senator from Nyamira, because as he's saying rightly, we have no basis really to question the health status of the governor. But we as human beings, we can make observations, and draw conclusions. Now, this matter then puts us in a very awkward situation, because the last time the governor left this room, he said he needed emergency medical attention. And Chair, you are magnanimous, you asked him to go and see a doctor. In the words of the area senator, it would appear like he saw a serious competence.
We can only get answers to these questions when the governor appears before us. We can only put it to him. The reasons that he has given in the past about medical conditions can only be proven by getting correspondence from a qualified medical practitioner. We therefore must make a resolution to ensure the governor appears before us. Of course, we could reinvite or we could issue summons. But in a case where what has been referred to is a medical condition, I want to perhaps propose that we reinvite the governor. We reinvite the governor, failure to which we then would issue summons. But on that invitation, we must also make it mandatory that he produces evidence to support his earlier claim, so that we don't discuss him as someone who lies, because remember that at the time he took an oath, and then he made that request for adjournment after having taken an oath. And if it turns out that it was a lie, then I think that's perjury, which is, I believe, is an offense, which can be pursued to its logical conclusion.
Na wekera bumwanchu morigire no twekera omwalio bwa mayasenchira yo wenge ye Chinsa Ikomi chiabo no mogoroba korende nse ya mani Chinsa sato Clinton ondigi na chuko yaretera asenchira yo bwekranu gendera kubwati mirobirende yatigere ase omogoroba bono Eliane Ishmael Mogere na wega sense moyende oyorogo konya sense mo yibimanyerelio ase bali batari kuigwa Eliaye Salome Kerubo.